Okay, so let's add the rest of the water. And this is 2½ cups. Give it a good stir. And put a little bit of black pepper. And we're ready to put it on pressure cook. So you put it on and you turn it to the right. And you've got this little valve up here that you're going to also turn to the right on this model. And then there's a little thing here that will pop up when the pressure has built. So we're going to go down to our little control panel here and we're going to change it. We're going to go to manual. And I preset it to 10 minutes. You can do the time with these little plus and minus. And I'm going to do it on high pressure. Excuse me, I still have pepper in my throat. So there it goes. That means it's starting to heat up, and it'll take a few minutes for it to get to the top pressure. Okay, so we're back. It's been about 18 minutes because it was 10 minutes on the pressure cooker, and then I let the steam the pressure kind of go down by itself for 8 minutes. So now we're just going to release the top and let the remaining steam out.